it's Kyle back in another video, and this is episode 8 of my survival island. So a ton of my recording got deleted. So in the deleted ones, I went up to episode 11, but they all have no audio. We've got 2 dogs, 2 or 3, I don't know where the other one is. I did have it, but I don't know anymore. And I got an enchantment for my sword, the Minecraft name, no? And the iron pick. So that's good. My microphone didn't actually work, so it wasn't US flipping B, but my microphone's coming today, which is cool. But what we need to do now is go mining. So I have 9 shovel on me. No, I did. Let's make one then. I need 1 iron. So 1 iron. Oh yeah, and I did find diamonds and stuff in the other episode, so place that down. Boom, that. Enchanted bow. So we're going to enchant our bow, which is about to flipping run out. Power 1, that's pretty nice. But I think we should make a new bow actually. So we need some string. Oh, we can make a bow. String. Get some sticks. Crafting table. Get our full string. Boom, get ourselves a bow. That's good. And I got cobblestone walls in the other episode, so let's enchant with some new bows I made you. Should be able to move forward. Power 1 tonight. So, we need to make an iron shovel. So let's make ourselves one of those days. And now let's go mining it. Then enchant my shovel. Or spade actually. Breaking 1, so all our tools are now enchanted. And I found pumpkin too. So we need a few more levels. Well, I'm not still mining. Iron. Pretty nice. Let's check some in. Damn it. I'm wasting time here recording. I can see my pickaxe as well. It's like a diamond pickaxe. More iron. Pretty nice. Skip this. And I recently got 10 subscribers. Thank you guys. What the hell? How the fuck can I do that? That's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I bring the torches down there? Get us some of this redstone. And we think we should pull her up now. yeah, I fixed how to do that. Let's put it up then. So we got one more level getting some of that stuff. And we've got a few more iron and stuff like that. So in the next episode I'm definitely going to improve my house. Definitely. We'll have to. Nearly out. Oh, I'm not gonna break it. Oh yeah, yeah. Guess what I did? And I got these armor. Yeah. I forgot to tell you that. I did and I had 39 iron and stuff. I wish I could just show you it. Oh god, he's grown up. No! Spastic. Bye guys, ciao out.